Now let's see some question based on the dimensional consistency of physical relations. Now the question number 1 says the following equation gives a relation between the mass m1 kept on a surface area A and the pressure P exerted on this area. P value is given as m1 plus m2 times x divided by A. What must be the dimension of the quantities x and m2? Now let's try to solve this question. Now in this question I have a pressure equation that says m1 plus m2 times x divided by A. Now this P is actually labeling the pressure quantity. Now you must remember that whenever pressure is equal to some factor, that is m1 plus m2. Let's focus on this quantity Z, which is m1 plus m2. Now m1 is actually mass, which is being mentioned in the question. We don't know about this quantity m2, but according to the principle of homogeneity, only the two quantities having same nature can be added or subtracted. So obviously from this dimension of m1, which is actually capital M, should be the dimension of m2. And the next important thing is the dimension of m1 plus m2 should also be capital M. So expressing this physical relationship in a dimensional formula, so we can write down the dimensional equation. Pressure has the dimension ml minus 1 T minus 2. Then m1 plus m2 has a dimension of m. Then the dimension of x divided by the dimension of area. Area has a dimension of L square. Now we have an equation considering the dimension. Let's try to solve this up. Dimension of x is equal to ml minus 1 T minus 2 multiplied with L square divided by m. Now this m and this m will cancel and we are left with dimensions of x as L T minus 2, and that is the dimension of acceleration. So as per the question, we have calculated both the quantities. So dimension of m2 is simply m and dimension of quantity x is LT minus 2. I hope the question is very clear to you. So let's move forward. Now the next question reads as the potential energy of a particle varies with distance x. So this is the important information from a fixed origin as u is equal to a root x divided by x square plus b, where a and b are dimensional constant. Then dimensional formula of a, b is. So let's try to solve this question. We have the potential energy function as a root x divided by x square plus b. Now first you should know that dimension of x is being labeled as the length and the dimension of potential energy is same as that of energy and work done. So I can write down the dimension of potential energy as m L square T minus 2. So we have the dimension of left hand side. Now expressing this physical relationship in a dimensional equation, I can have m L square T minus 2 is equal to dimension of A, then dimension of x to the power half divided by dimension of x square plus b. Now just focus on this x square plus b. We know from the principle of homogeneity that dimension of x square b should be such that it is dimension of x square, it is also the dimension of b, and dimension of x we have, that is L. So obviously from here dimension of b comes out to be L square. So this is the first part that we need to calculate. Now let's substitute the dimension of x square plus b, that is obviously L square over here. So in this equation I have m L square T minus 2 is equal to dimension of A, dimension of x, that is L to the power half divided by dimension of x square plus b, that is L square. From here if I cross multiply and find out the dimension of A, what do we get? We get the dimension of A as m L square t minus 2 multiply with L square divided by L to the power half. And if I solve it further, the dimension of A will come out to be m. Then it is L to the power 4, then it is t to the power minus 2, and then divided by L to the power half. This is equation 2. But as per the question, we need to calculate the dimension of A into B. So let's multiply equation 1 and 2. So dimension of A into B is simply dimension of A into dimension of B. So we have m L to the power 4 t minus 2 divided by L to the power half multiplied with dimension of B, that is L square. And if I solve it further, what I am going to get? Dimension of AB is simply m L to the power 6 minus half into t to the power minus 2. So this is m L to the power 6 into 2, that is 12 minus 1, that is 11 by 2 t minus 2. So this is the answer we were actually searching for. So m L to the power 11 by 2 t minus 2. So tell me which is the correct option. Option number 2 is the right answer for this question. So let's move forward and see the next question. Next question reads, the equation of a wave is given by y is equal to a sine omega into x by v minus k, where omega